No power, no plug. So remember guys, this was replaced from the 24-inch standard industrial roof, and they removed already because of the big air. So bye.